The Kathmandu area of Nepal was struck by a magnitude 6.7 aftershock Sunday, just a day after a massive earthquake in the region killed over 2,000 people and devastated a large swath of the capital city's buildings and infrastructure. The U.S. Geological Survey said the aftershock was very likely within a radius of 31 miles of Kathmandu. The aftershock sent people in the city running for open ground. It was not clear what damage was sustained. The aftershock comes as rescuers aided by international teams intensified their efforts on Sunday to clear rubble and search for survivors in Nepal after Saturday's magnitude 7.8 earthquake also centered outside Kathmandu. That quake was the worst to hit the poor South Asian nation in over 80 years. In that earlier quake, at least 721 people died in Kathmandu alone. Around 5,000 people were injured across the country, and among the dead are 17 people who were struck by a quake-triggered avalanche on Mount Everest. Evacuations from the Earth's highest mountain were still ongoing. Tremors from the aftershock were also felt in India. Lakshmi Dakal, an official from Nepal's Home Ministry, said Sunday that the number of casualties was expected to climb. At least 2,152 people are confirmed dead according to officials.